My name is Paolo Carozza, and I'm a member of the Oversight Board. I'm enthusiastic about being a member of the Oversight Board because I believe it is such an important effort in protecting human rights of everyone in the digital world. International human rights principles are essential to the protection of freedom of expression and the protection of voice and the receipt of information worldwide because they provide universal principled grounds that we can apply in every circumstance, therefore treating everybody more fairly and equally. The most important and applicable human rights standards that apply to the board's work are those that are adopted under the framework of the United Nations, and in particular the UN Guiding Principles on Human Rights in Business, as well as the universal treaties like the Covenant on Civil and Political Rights and their protection of freedom of expression. In applying international human rights principles to the decisions that the Oversight Board makes, the board arrives at decisions that are completely independent of Meta and are distinct from what the court of a state might do. The application of the principles of human rights lead us to ask Meta to be more transparent, to be more accountable, to have good reasons for restricting speech, and to do so only in limited ways. For example, in a case involving reporting on the Taliban in Afghanistan, the board decided that even though the Taliban is a dangerous organization, that news reporting regarding it should not be restricted because of the public interest in the question. Another important human rights aspect of the board's work is to help ensure that users are treated fairly, that they're aware of the standards that apply to them, that they have remedies for decisions that have been made. At its core, the work of the board is essentially about trying to protect and recognize the dignity of every human person around the world.